Hey guys, what's up? It's Queeny here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And if you're not, thank you for coming back and watching another video. So you guys can see my hair looks a little crazy right now, but we're gonna get into that. As you can see from the title, this video is all about a wig. It's a wig try-on review slash demo situation, and so I'm going to show you guys how I get this wig ready to put on my head, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about the wig. So it is from ROYALME.com, which is a new company to me, and they sent me this beautiful box. I was like, oh, okay. It comes in this beautiful box. So about this wig, before I get into it, the reason I wanted to try it so bad was because it has a fake scalp in the lace wig, like inside of it, built in. So now I don't really have to worry about having my cornrows be perfect and flat with the perfect part to match up with my closure or lace frontal so it like looks nice. Now I can just have a perfect laid wig without having the underneath be perfect, you know, especially if you have really dense natural hair. Sometimes it can be hard to braid it up perfectly and to have all the lines nice so you can have a nice laying wig. I feel like this gives you a little bit more room to, like, you know, kind of move things around. So I'm gonna get into this and make myself look better because this bun, I don't know. So okay, I'm gonna open this. It comes in this nice box right here and this ribbon. See, and it says this is their new waterproof fake scalp wig with pre-plucked bleach knots and pre-plucked hairline. That's what I need. This wig requires nothing to do. Okay, so let's open this. So this is the wig. It is a bob wig. Okay, oh wow. Okay, so you guys can see this is the fake scalp on the inside. So if I turn it inside out, you can see that this whole section is covered by this nice brown color that's supposed to mimic your scalp. And then there's this part. Okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna braid up my hair quickly into something before we try to put it on, and we will talk a little bit more about the details. Alright, so I have braided down my hair, as you can see, in the sloppiest way, but okay, so sorry about that. So this is the wig, as you guys can see. I'm just gonna put it on my head and we could talk about it. So I went on the website to check the price just so we could see how much it was, because they claim that it's affordable, and this wig right here is only $185, and they have a bunch of other wigs in different lengths for this quality at $195. So many. Ooh, $195, $175. Okay, sorry, this is $175, not $185. There's other really pretty ones for $195. This is amazing. So a lot of them are all under $200, which is, oh, and they have this, oh, this super long ombre one for $205. So that might be my summer hair. I need to try that one next. This is really nice. Oh, it has this really nice felt border, which is great because a lot of wigs that I have like the lace down here, and it's very irritating at the back of my head. So this is really nice, and it'll probably be a lot more comfortable. So that's the fake scalp. This is what it looks like. So let's just put this on. And I'm not wearing a wig cap because it's supposed to, you know, act as a wig cap already. So I clearly need to fix this up. I'm gonna cut off this extra piece of lace and then put it on again properly. So inside the wig, it has these adjustable elastic bands right here. You guys can't see that right here. And it's like a bra strap piece, so you can kind of choose how tight you want it. So I'm going to pull that back and do it while it's on my head. Okay, so it is on my head properly. Obviously I need to straighten and style this, but this is impressive. Okay, so I'm gonna cut off, wow, the hairline looks amazing. Okay, so before I put on this wig and secure it, I'm actually going to just lay my edges with some edge control so it's out of the way completely. Okay, so my edges are looking pretty smooth, so this just makes it easier so when I'm putting on the wig it doesn't get all stuck in there. I'm actually still going to put on a wig cap just to protect this part of my hair because there are combs in the wig. The nice thing is that you don't need a wig cap to do like the bald cap method because of the scalp that it has on the inside. So I'm just going to put on this wig cap and push it back a bit like this, and that'll just protect the back section of my head. Okay, so while my straighteners are warming up, as you guys can see, my scalp and hairline is already nicely plucked. I'm just going to clean up this section. I'm going to secure the parts that need to be secured with some Got To Be Free spray, and I'm sure that'll hold it down. It doesn't need much securing because this is already nice and tight on my head. Front, just like that. Okay, so I secured the wig right in the middle. Honestly, I'm just going to work with my own edges and clean up the sides so I don't have to glue anything on there. And the way that this wig is constructed, if it does blow to the side, the hairline is so well plucked that if my edges are done, it'll look seamless either way. Brush this down. You could do a little edge swoop in action if you really want. Okay, so that's that. So I'm gonna straighten this out so we can see how it looks when it's framing my face. I'm always looking for a wig that's easy on my edges so then it doesn't damage them. And this is one of those because I don't really have to do much to the sides. It just falls on my face so nicely. So to lay it down even better, I'm gonna go in with my straightening comb that you guys saw from my previous video. I use it on all my units because it works well with any type of hair. It's honestly even hard to see exactly where I stuck down the wig, and it's so easy. I can pull it back and you don't see anything crazy. My hair is not glued tight on the sides and it's the perfect length. So literally in less than 10 minutes I put this on my head. All I did was take off the lace, secured it with a little bit of spray, and then straightened it out with my straightening comb and my flat iron. Okay, so I fully have this wig on my head. I feel like I'm sitting here like, what else am I supposed to do? Because usually this takes me a bit longer, and I guess it's because I didn't have to glue down the sides and wait for it to dry and to look perfect to like style it. But yeah, so the inside piece is waterproof, so that's helpful, but it's also not too tight. I don't know if you guys remember, but back in the day they used to have those silk based closures. Do you guys remember those? And they used to be super thick, and it was amazing because you would think like, oh, it has a thing underneath so it looks better, and they were the most terrible they were the worst thing because you could not lay it properly. Yeah, so when I heard that this had a fake scalp thing, I was like, is it like a silk based closure? Because it is impossible to lay a silk based closure, but this is actually just a regular closure with an extra piece of material underneath, so it gives off a different color illusion, so then it looks like your scalp rather than them putting the hairs into this fake scalp thing. I hope that makes sense, but it's nothing like a silk based closure if you guys remember those. This is much better. So anyways, let me go into a few details about this hair so you guys can know and be informed before you move on if you are interested in it. So they do claim to have high quality hair. It's affordable, we checked that, so that's great. And now they have an instant shipping thing on their website, so you can order your hair and have it shipped out within 48 hours. I guess the nice thing about these wigs is that they're already made and plucked and ready to go. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will say I feel like this is very natural girl friendly, especially lazy natural girl friendly. You can throw your hair into whatever you can to fit it into this thing, and then you don't really have to do much because of the scalp situation, and the sides are very well done, so you don't really have to fix your edges on the side. I will say that I approve. of this. I really like it. So follow me on Instagram if you guys want to stay updated on this hair and every other product that I usually use. I usually share a little bit more on there, so follow me on there. Message me if you have any questions or need some recommendations for anything. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna do a little zoom in slow-mo action so you guys can see this wig a little bit better, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.